Dow futures down 350 PTs. Powell's testimony looms. Large U.S. stocks are visible establishing sharply decrease Wednesday, handing again a number of the preceding session's profits ahead of the start of the two-day testimony with the aid of Fed Chair Jerome Powell on Capitol Hill. At 7 a.m. Eastern Time, 1100 GMT, the Dow futures settlement was down 350 points, or 1.1%. S&P 500 futures traded 50 factors, or 1.4% lower, and Nasdaq 100 futures dropped 195 points, or 1.7%. The most important indices on Wall Street posted strong gains on Tuesday, attempting to claw again a number of the hefty losses of the past few weeks. The blue-chip Dow Jones Industrial Average rose over 600 points, or 2.2%. The broad-based S&P 500 climbed to 5%, its pleasant day because early May, at the same time as the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite also gained 2.5%. However, this sort of high-quality day has become unusual, with buyers worried about a ability recession in advance as the Federal Reserve aggressively tightens economic policy to fight inflation running at degrees not visible for 40 years. The opportunity of the sector economic system succumbing to a recession is nearing 50% as critical banks tighten monetary policy, in step with Citigroup. Central banks may also yet engineer the soft or softish landings embodied in their forecasts, and in ours, however this will require deliver shocks to ebb and call for to remain resilient, the financial institution's economists said in a note Wednesday. Investors will have a look at cautiously Fed Chair Jerome Powell's testimony about the nation of the economic system inside the Senate, beginning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, 13:30 GMT, for clues approximately future financial policy, as he's sure to be questioned approximately the cutting-edge ranges of inflation and remaining week's choice to elevate fees through 75 foundation points. The monetary data slate is basically empty Wednesday, apart from the Fed's Redbook, whilst the income season has in large part wound down beforehand of the July 4th vacation. Of the few quarterly reports trickling out, domestic builder KB Home NYSE, KBH, and RV maker Winnebago NYSE, WGO, are because of report Wednesday. Oil fees slumped Wednesday as buyers fretted approximately an economic slowdown in the U.S., the most important consumer of crude in the world. Also weighing available on the market as a push with the aid of the Biden management to carry down soaring fuel expenses, and problem that is rapidly becoming a political trouble ahead of the midterm elections. President Joe Biden is anticipated on Wednesday to name for temporarily postponing the 18.4 cents a gallon federal tax on gas, pronounced, while 7 predominant oil organizations are set to fulfill with the president on Thursday. Weekly U.S. petroleum inventory facts from the American Petroleum Institute for the week finishing June 17 are due later Wednesday, a day later than regular after Monday's U.S. holiday. Additionally, gold futures fell 0.4% to $1,832.35 per ounce, at the same time as EUR/USD traded 0.1% lower at 1.0520.